channel. Thank you so much for the love and support that I got on my first video. I got a lot of feedback and I'm taking them to heart to make sure that the videos going forward is much better. I'm very grateful for you guys for the love and support. And one of the suggestions was that I should introduce myself when I'm doing my videos. So hi, my name is Aisha. Thank you so much. Welcome back. In today's video, I am going to do eyeshadows. The last video I did a brow tutorial for beginners, so I'm going to show you how to apply your eyeshadow as a beginner. Today I'm starting off with my brows done just to save time. And the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to use today is the Warriors by Juvia'sPlace. This is a really nice palette for chocolate girls, black girls, because it's very pigmented. So before we start, what you need to do is prime your eyebrows. So you can use your concealer or you can use a primer, whichever one you choose. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm going to use my fingers for this. And the reason why you prime is so that your eyeshadows can show up more on your lids and it will last longer. So in today's videos, I'm using my Morphe brushes. I really don't know the name of these brushes, but it will do. So I'm gonna use a transition color in my crease. I'm gonna use the shade Cano. Palette looks awful because it's been through a lot. And you apply outward then inward. I'm gonna do a simple look today. And you do the same thing on the other eye. And you can apply as much as you want. So it depends if you want it bright or you want it light. So you apply as much as you want. So I'm done with my transition color. Now I'm going to apply a color on the outer V of my eye, the outer shape. I'm going to use another one of my Morphe brushes and I'm going to use the shade Mino. And you apply it here. I'm just dipping it in so you can show up. You can see the color, the shadow showing up. So you just do that. And you can bring it in on your eyelid. And you do the same thing on the other eye. For it to not look that harsh, you can go back over with the transition color. So I'm using the shade Cano again from Juvia's palette. And then I'm going to apply pressed powder to my lid. And I'm going to use the shade Bakwa. That's what we call it. Same thing on the other lid. And you can go over with your other your second shade. Voila, you have applied a shadow. Simple and easy. And that's it. And you can go ahead and apply your mascara or do a liner if you wish. Thank you so much for joining me for my video. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please subscribe. Come and join the family. Like, share, and subscribe. And please follow me on Instagram at petite_Aisha. I'll leave the link down below to my Instagram. Thank you so much. Bye.